Mommy. I know he doesn't have that type of patience to be sitting in a chair for 2-3 hours at a time. I try to make it as quick and as efficient as possible. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Asantua. For those of you who don't know me, welcome. For those of you who do know me, welcome back. Now, if you have a toddler, you know that wash day can be very dreadful. And it was a lot easier. I mean, it's like when they get to that weird age where they're starting to become aware and like have their own feelings and they want to, their say on things, it can become very, frustrating to say the least. So today I'm going to be talking about Cyrie's wash day routine. Now, I wash Cyrie's hair once a week because of the fact that now that he's a toddler, he is very active. So whether it's him playing a lot on the floor or when he eats, he has some type of like this. I guess this is like an exploration type of thing where like he'll touch his hair with his dirty hands after he's eaten. So I've tried everything. I've tried letting him eat in a shower cap, let him eat in a little bonnet. It just, that's a whole nother story time. But so I find that once a week works for everybody. And again, he's getting a little older now, so he's a little more aware of what's going on. So it can be a little bit tedious, so to speak. But I do get it done within an hour because again, I know he doesn't have that type of patience to be sitting in a chair for 2-3 hours at a time. I try to make it as quick and as efficient as possible. So today I'm gonna take you on a journey of how I wash his hair and what steps I take. And then I also am gonna take you from once it's finished washing, that protective style that I do put it in. And usually protective style, I'll keep it in for about 2 days. Now you can choose to keep that protective style in for a week. By doing this, you might wanna refresh it every couple of days. But for me, I usually just keep it in for about 2 days. I take it out, let him wear his twist out for another few days. And then I start the process all over again. So this is our routine. Remember to like, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications so that you don't miss anything that I post. First thing I'm going to tell you to do before you do anything is set your toddler up in a high chair. You will thank me later. As Cyrie got older, a new thing that I've incorporated into his wash day routine is a step called pre-pooing. And if you've seen before, which I'll link in this video, I do pre-poo my hair. This helps with the detangling process. This helps to get that moisture back into the hair again. Remember, you haven't washed the hair in a week, so the hair might be a little bit dry. So pre-pooing has been a game changer in his wash day routine. Remember that aloe is a natural succulent and it is high in vitamin E, which the hair is looking for after that week long of not washing. So make sure you go get yourself some aloe and pre-poo your child's hair. Spritz the hair down with some water, part it into small sections, and then rub the aloe on each section, making sure that you get every single strand. And this helps by you doing it from root to tip. And that way you can then start the finger detangling process. As you can see, I've applied the aloe throughout the whole head. Now, something that I do different with Cyrie's hair versus when I do my pre-pooing is I do the aloe first and then I go back after everything is done with the comb. So I feel like this kind of is a little easier for him. twist each section up, and then I go into the next section, and I will do this throughout the whole head. The twists are a game changer, because what I find is that once this hair is already twisted and detangled, when it's time to wash it, the hard part is already done. It is seamless. Remember, he is at an age where he is becoming a little more aware of what he likes and doesn't like. And so you have to make this process as easy, not just for you, but also for him. We have minimal shedding because of the fact that I separated each section and was very careful of how I detangled. So this is how much we've had. I let the pre-poo sit for about 20 minutes, and then I head to start the washing process. Now it's bath time and time to shampoo. And as you can see, the hair is separated neatly, ready to wash. Lately, I've been using the Cantu for Kids line on his hair, and I actually been liking it. So I'm gonna see how it helps his hair to grow and flourish, and I'll decide what I'll continue. This part of the routine I have to make super quick, because although Cyrie loves the water, he is not a fan of getting his hair shampooed. So I have to keep him busy with his toys, and I use this hose, which I can link below where we got it from, which helps to quickly wash out the shampoo once we finish using it. This bath sheet that I use is also really helpful. It helps to keep him stationary. Again, he's still kind of young, so I don't really like him sitting around the tub if I can help it. And so this really helps to keep him in the position I need him to be in. Now I apply the conditioner, and I'm going to apply it to all the parts of his head. So make sure you get each nook and cranny of that hair, because you really want to make sure you're allowing it to do its job. This is a really important step, I find, when you wash the hair. You can then use your comb to comb it through and just get any other tangles that you may have missed through the pre-pooing, through the shampooing. This is your chance to get those last few tangles out. I let the conditioner sit for about 5 minutes. This is where I usually will actually give Cyrie his bath. Of course, I did that off camera, but you get the point. Now you rinse the conditioner through, and you are done with the washing process. Hooray, you've made it. I actually played myself and attempted to let Cyrie sit in one of his chairs, but again, the high chair is your best friend during this process. It lasted for about 5 seconds. Yeah, now we're back in the high chair because it wasn't working, and it's time for the styling part. Yeah, so you see how I say the high chair is your friend. I'm gonna keep saying that throughout this video. Put him back in the high chair, and we start the styling. If you choose to, you can actually do a wash and go from this point on, but since Cyrie's hair takes a few hours to dry, I'll just usually twist it and let that stay in for about a day or two, and then take it out and let it be a twist out for a few days. This is the finished product, and he will leave it in for about 2 days before I let it out or twist out. This was 2 days after I took the twist out, and if you need to refresh it, just add a little bit more of your leave-in conditioner and fluff it out with your hands. Make sure you go over to Instagram and like these pictures because they are posted. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this was helpful. If you have any comments or if you have any suggestions, please find me on Instagram and send me a message through there. Please remember to also like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so that you don't miss anything that I post. Bye!